Hi guys, my name is Armando Guerrero. I'm from Cuernavaca, Morelos, Mexico, and I'm the owner of House of Corn Mexican Cuisine.
Okay people, we are here at the House of Corn. We are gonna eat, we are gonna share stories together, and I'm gonna eat with the owner as well. And we're gonna see on how this corn house is making 3 types of tortillas. And you know what, the story is pretty awesome. I was just talking with the owner of the restaurant, and I cannot believe the leap of faith that he took before opening this place. He's an engineer. He's never worked at a restaurant. He has no experience running a restaurant, and he was pretty gutsy and just went for it. And it seems like it's paying out. He has wonderful recipes from the north and all over Mexico, and he's making all this corn tortillas fresh daily using 3 types of different corn. And we're gonna dive deep into seeing what those corn tortillas look like, how they're made, and what they taste like. And as well, we're gonna try some of their dishes, of course, because you know me, I'm always starving for more. Armando starts by adding water, calcium, lime, and salt into a pot. Then he adds the dry corn and blanches it just enough to make it soft. The calcium and the lime mixture with water will soften up the dry corn, which will then be grounded to turn into masa. This is a quintessential process throughout the whole tortilla making. Without the calcium and the lime, there's no way that you can just grind the corn to that perfect texture that is known throughout the whole entire world. This masa gives you so many dishes that when paired together can be beautiful, wonderful marriage of flavors, authenticity, and history. In this case, Armando uses these 3 types of masa to make different types of dishes, from tacos to quesadillas to flautas, sopes, and guaraches. We know that wheat has been famous throughout the whole entire world, and almost everywhere in the world we have a different type of bread that is made with that wheat. However, it is Mexico that has given us the masa, and it is Mexico that has put masa in almost every nation.
James viene a hacer un reportaje de todo lo que hacemos. It's a very funny story because I got here to the US to do my bachelor's degree, and I did automotive engineering. What happened is that I was kind of sad to see that the Mexican food here was not even Mexican. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It was such a disappointing thing to go to a popular restaurant and just find things that I don't even know what they are, and people claiming to be Mexican when they are not. You know what I'm saying? And another thing that kind of shocked me is the fact that here everything is flour tortillas, flour tortillas, flour tortillas. And I understand the corn tortillas from the store, they suck. Where I grew up, everything is corn. You know what I'm saying? It's if you go to a market, you'll see the ladies making street food with corn that they stone grind that morning. So, and coming here, everything is flour tortillas, everything is smothered burritos, everything is like sweet pork, and I mean, it didn't make sense to me. So, it being in college made me think that that would be a good idea, you know, to open a restaurant with the original recipes from Mexico, using all their colors of corn, because everybody knows about the white and the yellow corn, but not everybody has had a blue corn tortilla, for example, or a red corn tortilla. And another thing that many people doesn't know is that blue and red corn tortillas have more nutrients and more antioxidants than the white and yellow. White and yellow, they grow so easy and so fast that they don't absorb too much nutrients from the soil. And for example, blue and red and the other colors of the corn, they have more nutrients. So it's a different thing. And in Mexico, it's very popular. Here, well, you know, I understand, but we wanted to bring that here to the US.
Look at that, people. That is the chili relleno taco made with homemade fresh tortillas, only in a house of corn. Way good. Packed with cheese. There's the whole entire chili relleno. So good. So good. Not only the tortillas they're not the only good thing here, but look at that, people. Are these how they usually come? This stuff?
Yeah. Don't think that we give you a special treat.
This is not a special treat, people. This is how they come.
They always come like that.
Wow, that's good.
That's
Alright.
the carnitas.
This is the carnitas one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go for the carnitas. They're so tender. How long did you cook them for?
At least 5 hours.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. In the oven?
No, we just put them on the stove.
And the stove?
Slow cook.
Do you marinate them with anything? Because no.
It's a very simple recipe. It's just the pork shoulder and the with garlic, onion, salt, and that's it.
What? Really? There's no way.
Seriously.
It's packed with flavor.
I know, it's just the flavor of the meat. Nothing else.
I'm being honest. This is not for camera or for whatever. It's super flavorful.
I know, man. It's so funny when you find people that say, "Oh, you have to add oranges and a bunch of different bay leaves and all of that."
Yeah.
We only throw onions and garlic, and that's it, and salt.
Wow. You don't cook them in their own fat or anything. Just
We use 30% fat and 70% water.
Okay. Okay.
But well, another trick. We seal the meat first in the griddle.
You sear the meat. Okay.
Yeah,
that
we
makes
seal
sense.
it. Yeah, so
Okay.
all the flavor stays in the meat while it's slow cooking it.
Yeah, it creates that milder browning. Nice. In all honesty, every time I go and I shoot one of these videos, I am really excited to meet the owner. Talk to them about their story. In this particular case, Armando was just one of those rare cases where the individual just threw themselves into the business without any type of experience. I have met a few people like that. Chris Luna from Los Tapatíos was like that, but his family had a recipe. They had some type of background cooking. With Armando, it was a complete pleasure meeting him. His story, his sacrifice, his way of just going for things that he loves and he has a passion about. You know, behind cameras, him and I spoke for a long time, much longer than what this video is. We spoke about the good times, the not so good times, and then the future of the House of Corn. In my opinion, his drive, passion, hard work, and awesome tortillas should have a bright future in Utah and really all over the nation. His food is good, but for crying out loud, come and get the fresh tortillas. Buy the raw masa. Make tortillas in your home. Try them out. Make tamales. Ask your local supermarket to carry them. Any less is a catastrophe. So do yourself a favor. Heck, do us all a favor. Request House of Corn Tortillas. And every so often, come and visit Armando and his friendly staff. They will greet you with quality, with a smile, with open arms, and they will welcome you into their house, the House of Corn. So that is it, people, the House of Corn. As always, stay starving for more.